this question is also from Success now. He's asking that he sees that my videos are bright and attractive. So he wants to know what tool do I use and how can he make his video like that. Uncle is not tools though. Okay, it's actually tools anyway. Well, I know the kind of tool you're asking. Maybe it's one app I'm downloading. No. It's not like that. This light that we're using now, this light is about 400,000 naira. Light, just light. The stand that we're using, this stand is about 200k. Do you understand? This tripod is about 150,000. The tripod that is standing in front of me. Okay, 100k.
No, 100 and something at that time.
Okay. We don't need to even increase the money. Let's stay where it is. Let's say about 150k, right? This camera that we're using now, this camera is about 1.5 million naira. So that's why my video is like that with my brother. I wish you were seeing the video. Okay, maybe for the video's sake, let's turn off the lights just to show practical. So you have the app on your phone now, you can turn off the lights and so turn it off so that they will see the difference in the camera. You understand? So him that is listening by audio may not see the difference, but the people watching will not see the difference. So without the light, it will not be as bright as this. We can even make it brighter. We have to use the light to configure the temperature that will fit to my face texture. If somebody that is brighter than me sit down here, the light will be different. There's a way we'll condition the light. Do you understand? So it's a lot of work. When I want to edit, for example, now I'm not using what's it called? CapCut, right? Is it not CapCut they call it? What is it? I don't use CapCut. It's not phone. I will edit with my laptop. Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro is a sophisticated editing software. Okay, I didn't talk about the microphone I'm using. So now, so your sound is clean. This is a microphone now that is connected in my body that I'm using to talk. It's also expensive. Do you understand? So, but you can be buying your gadget gradually. So, let me now recommend. You do not off light again. Off light now, so they will see the difference. Even you say, I look at the camera, I laugh. Wait, let them see the difference very well first now. That's the difference. Without the lights, you see how it looks like now. So, but if you don't know that, just only this light now, it affects. In fact, videography and photography is more of lighting. Lighting is so important. If you use the right light, bring light back. Because some people will not understand this one now. They say, why is it so dark? Do you understand? So, that's it. So now here's my recommendation to you. Success. You will need to invest money to buy a good phone. Since you want to be shooting videos, you will need a good phone that can handle good video quality. That's number one. Then you will buy small lights, even if it's a ring light, so that your light will be fine. You use your phone and get a small tripod. You can start from where you are. So now that you have a phone, you can buy small lights. Then you can buy tripod. So that's not the type of 150,000 naira one. There's small tripod of 20,000, So that's it. Thank you.